In this problem, it says let a cubed equal 12, b squared equal 10, and c equal 2. And we want to determine the value of a times b over c, all raised to the 6th power. Now we want to determine the value exactly. And what I think a lot of people make the mistake of doing is they want to figure out the value of a, the value of b, and the value of well, just a and b by themselves. But let me show you a different way. If we distribute this 6 in, it's going to be a to the 6th, b to the 6th over c to the 6th. Now, we can write this a to the 6th like this, a cubed squared. We can write b to the 6th as b squared cubed. Now how does that help us? Well, we know what a cubed is just by itself. It's 12. So this is 12 squared. B squared is 10. So that means that if I take out b squared, I can substitute 10 to the 3rd. And then c is 2, raise that to the 6th. Yeah. So 12 squared times 10 cubed. All that divided by 2 to the 6th power. And so that gives us an answer of 2,250. There's our answer, and we're done.